If you want to make a lasting impression and have her miss you, you need to do something different, something she won't find anywhere else. Whether you're in a committed relationship or just starting to talk, these tips will keep her intrigued and wanting more. 1. Create space and limit. Your contact. Constant communication might seem like the right move, but the truth is, it's a quick way to make her take you for granted. The key is to create a little distance. By not always being available, you'll give her the opportunity to miss you. She'll wonder what you're doing, who you're with, and why you haven't reached out. It's this mystery that keeps her thinking about you. Plus, it shows her that you're independent. You don't need her to feel complete. It's the subtle art of making her realize that she's not the only option, and ironically, this makes her desire you even more. 2. Live a vibrant life. When she starts to miss you, she's probably checking your social media. So let her see that you're living a life full of adventure, achievements, and happiness. You don't have to show off, but share some of your moments. Whether it's a picture of you having fun or achieving something small yet meaningful, you're sending a message. You're living your best life, and she's missing out. This taps into the one thing women love, being part of a man's life. It makes her feel more connected to you. 3. Don't bite the bait. Sometimes, she might try to get your attention with a subtle post or message. This is her way of letting you know she's thinking of you. But here's the trick. Don't give in immediately. Let her wonder what you're up to. Don't play the game of immediate responses. Let her be curious. The more you resist the bait, the stronger her curiosity will grow. Keep her guessing, and she'll keep coming back for more. 4. Be confident and independent. Confidence is magnetic. When you show her that you're emotionally independent and don't need constant validation, she's going to notice. A woman wants to know that you're living life on your own terms, that you're comfortable with who you are. By being confident, you're showing her that you're not desperate for her attention, which ironically will make her crave it even more. So, be the person she wants to be around. Not because you need her, but because you're living a fulfilling, interesting life. 5. Be playful and lighthearted. Women love a man who can make them laugh and enjoy the little moments. Being playful and fun will keep her thinking about the good times you've shared. Life is too short to be serious all the time, so let her see your lighter side. When you make her laugh and feel happy in your company, she'll want to experience that again. And guess what? That's something she'll miss when you're not around. 6. Leave her wanting more. You don't have to spend hours with her to make a lasting impact. Sometimes less is more. Leave before things start to feel stale. Whether it's a date or a conversation, always end it on a high note. When she's left wanting more, she'll start thinking about the next time you'll be together. This leaves her eager and excited for the next interaction. 7. Show her you care, but don't overwhelm her. While creating space is important, showing her you care without overwhelming her is just as vital. A thoughtful gesture, a simple check-in, or a sweet compliment can go a long way. It's about finding that balance between being present and giving her the space to miss you. When you strike the right balance, you'll make her feel special without smothering her. By following these steps, you'll give her a reason to think about you, to miss you, and to want you more. It's about creating that balance, being present yet mysterious, showing confidence but also being emotionally available when the time is right. Keep her curious, keep her excited, and most importantly, keep her coming back for more.